Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to generate API test cases quickly and efficiently. Instead of manually creating every test scenarios from scratch, we can provide our API documentation or specification to ChatGPT and ask it to generate different types of test cases, including positive, negative, validation, authentication, and authorization. I will show you how to structure the prompt so that ChatGPT generates test cases in a format that is easy to review and use for your API testing. The benefits of using ChatGPT for API test cases. Before we start, let's look at a few benefits. First, it can save time by generating multiple test scenarios quickly. Second, it can help you cover more scenarios, including negative and boundary cases that can sometimes be missed during manual test case creation. You can provide your API documentation and get the test cases in a structured format. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained how you can generate the API documentation by using AI. So you can watch this video. If you want to generate the documentation for API, you just need to click on this request and then click on doc. One option here available. So you can view here in the doc section. This documentation is created by AI. If you click on this one, this request, and then click on docs, you can view this option right with AI. If you click on this option, so AI will write the documentation for you. Now, in this tutorial, I will explain how you can generate the test cases of your API by using ChatGPT. I will explain step by step. So this is the documentation and this is the get method and the base URL, the complete URL of the API, and it used for retrieve product details. This is the request, method, get, URL, parameters, response, and the example response. And other option available for documentation in your collection level, you can view here, view complete documentation. So you can view all the documentation of your request. In this request, you can view this is the get product to request in this collection. So you need to write the prompt for generating a test cases using ChatGPT. Open this one. I have already write. I will provide an API specification, generate comprehensive API test cases you covering positive scenarios, negative, and this is the complete prompt, and create the test cases in a table with this format. First column is test case ID, scenario. Second column, test data, expected result, and the priority. You can add more columns here and the API details. So now we will generate the test cases by using ChatGPT. Open Chrome browser and search chatgpt.com and enter text here. This is the prompt. Now open Postman and then copy this complete document. Copy this one. Open Chrome browser and in the API details section, we will define first API. This is the first API, and then we will write the second API. You need to define the document or specification of your API for generating the test cases. Now open Postman and then click on this one. We need to copy this complete documentation. Open browser and the second API is. You can watch previous video in which I have explained in a detail how you can generate this document by using AI. So we need to click on sending this request, and here you can view below is a comprehensive API test suite. Now scroll down. This is the first API and writing the test cases. You can view here. It also write the priority of your API. The second API is get cards. Now just copy this complete test cases and enter in a Excel file. Click on this copy and open Excel. After opening, click on this one and we will just paste our test cases here. Now let's understand about this test cases. First column is ID. As you can view here, I define the first column is test case ID, second scenario, test data, expected result, and priority. Last column is priority. Now retrieve product with valid ID. This is the first test case, and the test data is get is a method product ID, and the expected result is HTTP 200 OK, and response should contain in a JSON format, and the response contains this information: title, price, description, category, image, and rating. Let's send this request. If we send this request, click on this one. Request is sending. We are getting 200 response code and this response in JSON. So our expected response in JSON format: ID is 1, title, price, description, image, and rating. As you can view here in the test case, our expected result is JSON format and contain this information. The second test case is validate response content type application JSON. You can view here content type application JSON. You can view here JSON, and ID should contain integer. This ID is an integer. So when we are sending this request, so we get the response ID is equal to 1, which is integer. So you can view here, this is a detailed test cases which is generated by using ChatGPT, and you can view here this is the negative test cases, which contains this 400 response. If we are sending this batch request in a alphanumeric ID, this is the request very large ID, so it should contain appropriate 404 not found. So this is the complete test cases, as you can view here, and the second API test case is also generated by using ChatGPT. This is the second test cases. You just need to copy these test cases and paste into a Excel file. So that's how you can use ChatGPT to generate API test cases from your API specification. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.